Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bharadwaj. I am Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into helping the patients of vitiligo. We will look into the details of it. What is vitiligo? What are the causes for vitiligo? What is the conventional treatment? And finally, what are the disadvantages of the conventional treatment and how homeopathy can help the patients of vitiligo effectively without side effects in a target specific manner to deal with vitiligo. So what is vitiligo? Vitiligo is basically the patchy discoloration on the skin. It occurs in all the ages and both the sexes. Basically it does not cause any physical or physiological problems, but it definitely has a psychological effect, like it reduces the mate value, it is a social stigma, and also it lowers the self-esteem. And we will look into the clinical features of vitiligo. The symptoms, rarely they will be itching and there will be tingling on the vitiligo spots. It's very rare. These are the subjective feelings that occur during in case of vitiligo. And what are the signs? We can observe patchy discoloration of the skin. Sometimes there will be graying of the hair within these lesions. And what are the investigations for vitiligo? When you examine the skin under Wood's lamp, there will be clear-cut demarcated patches. These are more prominent under Wood's lamp. So we have to know the structure for the melanocytes. Basically, melanocytes are the melanin producing cells. Melanin is a pigment that gives black color to the skin and also black color to the hair. So basically these are a part of epidermis. Epidermis is the upper layer of the skin. In skin there are three layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. Basically these are lower part of epidermis. And physiology, as I said, these are responsible for blackish color of the skin and also black color of the hair. And the important function of these melanocytes or melanin is to protect you from UV radiation. So etiology, what is the cause of this? It is 20% family history. It means out of 100 patients who are suffering with vitiligo, 20 of them will have his family history of vitiligo. So it is 20% family history. What is the pathology of vitiligo? Basically, there are two hypotheses. One is autoimmune hypothesis and neurogenic hypothesis. In autoimmune hypothesis, the absence of melanin along with the antibodies against the melanin are found. So we can infer that it is due to some autoimmune destruction of these melanocytes. And also there is one more hypothesis, neurogenic hypothesis. It is believed that the toxins released from nerve endings are destroying these melanocytes, but these are just hypotheses. There is no solid evidence for or proof which one is actually correct, but we have these two hypotheses. And what is the conventional treatment? So phototherapy is exposure of the skin to light. You can expose it in a topical way or systemic way, and you can use the dangerous side effects causing topical and systemic steroids. And also you can use calcineurin inhibitors. Calcineurin inhibitors are the immunosuppressant. These are used topically. And also you can go, if the lesion is localized and it is not growing, you can go with skin grafting and also cosmetic tattooing. All of these will have side effects. They are addiction forming and they are temporary and also costly. So these are the disadvantages of conventional treatment. And also these are not going to stop the disease. They are just temporary things. There is no treatment from the root cause. But when you go through the next slide, that is how homeopathy can treat this from the root cause. Precautions. The main precaution we need to take is limit exposure to the sun. So that is the main precaution we need to take. And how homeopathy can help you in this regard? So 20% is familial and rest of the thing is acquired. So homeopathy has excellent drugs where your constitution is taken care. Your constitution consists of both inherited parameters and acquired parameters. Homeopathy can effectively counter any defect you acquired through inheritance or through external means, and these are expressed in physical, physiological and psychological expressions. So and also we can treat it locally, specific symptoms, local symptoms based on the location. We can treat the symptom, the disease as well. and also we will look for the root cause. What is the root cause? Different people will have different root cause. So in some people it is aggravated by stress, in some people it may occur in a particular place. Considering all this, we will give the drugs. So mostly we will try to prevent means we will try such that your body will not produce new patches. If you already have the patches, we will try to cure them. If the disease is systemic and also it is affecting the vast portion of the skin, then we can relieve it effectively. And all these are without side effects. Why there are no side effects? Because homeopathy works on the principles of nanotechnology. These nanoparticles, when we give through constitutional treatment by considering inherited and acquired characters, so these are target specific. There is no off targeting. So if we want to target a specific organ or a specific disease, we can target through homeopathic nanoparticles. These nanoparticles will not go and affect other targets, what we call it as off targeting. That's the reason you will not have any side effects. And also you can use this effectively as adjuvant therapy. By using this as adjuvant therapy, you can reduce the side effects causing with other medicines treatments. And also when you take homeopathy drugs along with the other drugs, it increases the efficiency and also you will have additional effect. We can slowly start giving homeopathic drug, and over a period of time we can slowly wean off the medicines of other systems of medicine where there are side effects, and finally you can stay on homeopathic drugs until the disease is prevented, cured or relieved without side effects and with very minimum cost. This is how homeopathy can help the patients of vitiligo. Two types of consultation is available with us. You can take online consultation, and also medicines are shipped to your doorsteps. We can exchange the reports online, and also you can come to in-person consultation. We are located at Hyderabad, Manikonda. Thank you.